Maraka bengi omwanchu muligereria na kwaleganire na inda semesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isato chabano botuko kerorire lituko lya Ijumaa chitariki 15 mutinyo gatatu omwaka bw'ekiri 2022 nyiganete nga lituko lya bere lyororo nandi nenga kingi yangu kwalegania egero tumanyenga naralya yakorekanire ase chingongo inye chinse gendera gutubwatia gwetera se mitandao ya Facebook tonyole buna Ndizi TV News amone nsemo ya YouTube no tolibuna Ndizi TV News na iranire asegekeke kerebosio egera nkomanyenga naralya yagose na kwaleganire. Nche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita amonolia tokubwaterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tigatoya chake korwase county ya Kisii ase bunge ya Bonchari abwasabarai ao baumirana asensemo ya Iterio asomo yega bwokomoenia nyagosira umorokia Lona Nyanchama abwase nonyana bo siasa chitati wa magega abwasabarai bakoliye birogo ao korwase bunge yobeso kiana gukwana amona bamenyi omulikito Ndemo Steven na Mange.
Nashukuru sana walimu, tumefanya kazi nzuri. Yes.
Asomo yogoyubwa matange nsemo ya Iterio niga basanine ya mate baikirana ko muamasikani yo mwalimu Nyagosira Lona Nyanchama wetera chinkwana na matera yokolemi.
Shida za dunia zimetukatisha tamaa.
Sabari ya Lona alengo murwere paka iketawo cha gusira ngotu alenge amo litukaze lituko kubwatinga na kia ikire to waka isimike lituko ujeze ben na cha corona ki Lona agenderete Lona no muntu watu mokia sana watu bolemere bonene oruko irwanerera lakini bona sa omurangeri ochire
nonyeigo chikonu chia siasa nchenyara kobugigwe nsemeyu abwasabaroneri bebirogo imechi wodi chia Bonchari ne bunge yu banyara kwegerera eganga yabo
na tenete ojumba somwa koheta ase by election enkaba na mbeye masebya mebike bono nje nkobolia chikura chia oburayi bwa Bonchari obwempi wetrasa ODM
bono nento tutageteiga omuntu okoboli obo gavana oika Bonchari nento tonyolesha atomanye korwe kuleyo ndoliko chikonyera ubosa
Charles Onchoke okoligyo bochumbe bwa Bonchari nanyara koira eira yokoleta magenderero no goncholeria
Aintu watokorewa kuisemchinke watokorewa makiteyo watokorewa kintariki tunjwa atmalio watokorewa babaroka baikere mbari gukoni wate kintakana chini tubata bana yuti abango tubatigasi ayo onsi tuyakobekamo tubikana Bonchari bonsi toberi boerimo tubeke mipango yo gokonya gokongo
nebirero sana nga paka bono wanafunzi baito mbaranya basali. This is a chance for Bonchari to redeem itself.
Abantali bami kuba sawa sama grama nene olikanye ko banene na kirega yani kisanki ndambo eta maukane ngantire nalibaga bereke sabera nalibage liri sinini nyara gukorega shire nainwe tumuki Bonchari yetugo
amatuko emia yemo merongene nane naratigaire goika sogo cholyo bonene asebono bali bonsi bakoligie ebirogo ime chinsemo ao banyarire gweso kina gwesora na bakichikura wene kibunango sanga bali na barabuna kwemanyekani ase bale inko reporter taniki Ndizi TV korwa iga sensemo ya Iterio Bonchari constituency letaliane Ndemo Steven.
Mbiamono omulikito Ndemo Steven asorobotiuru osko gochimotwe nigoto ikase county ya Nairobi abwaso muraibwenso muske Uhuru Kenyatta acha kyabene inyagitari ya bana ya mama Lucy gose ya mama Margaret Kenyatta abwaso bonate benyagitari yo eguchago konya bamenye abange korwa sensemeyo ya Kariobangi anene mono abamenye bamenyete ase county ya Nairobi korengana na Uhuru nigate birensemo yo yobochenu gose sekta yobochenu nigagenderete gukinia birengo byaye asokwene kyabuna kero mu Kenya onyorira bokoreri asinchira ya bene niko baigateba erachi gokonya abamenyi konya bachandikira segeke gitambe asokoligia obware gusasa kugenda se chintunde chintambe gosambe asokoligia obokoreri abwasate birebono obochenu nigo bwachire angena sibale gwetera senyagitari yu ya mama Margaret Kenyatta erachi gokonya abamenyi asensemeyo.
Hii ni hospitali ambaye kwa eneo hii ndio itakuwa referral hospital ya zile hospitali ndogo ndogo ambazo tumekuwa tukijenga katika sehemu mbalimbali. We have built now 19 and we are almost complete to building 24. Hospitals that have treated over hundreds of thousands of Kenyans in the last 2 to 3 years. Hundreds of thousands of Kenyans who ordinarily would have had no choice but to look for private facilities which were very expensive. Now they have public facilities available to them.
Chinga kechecho nigo Uhuru Kenyatta atebire bona nigo babigitemero bilyo boikiranu ilikuwa gacha chinya
zangu. Wacha hii hospitali tayari katika vitongoji za Nairobi yote. Sasa ambapo tunaongea tumemaliza hospitali 18. Tunaelewana? Tunaelewana? Ambazo zimeweza kutibu wananchi wa Nairobi kwa muda wa mwaka 1.5. Wakati tulianza kulikuwa hospitali moja tu kwa vitongoji ambayo ilikuwa ya serikali. Hizo zingine zote zilikuwa hospitali private. Kweli ama sio kweli? Sasa leo tuko na hospitali ya serikali ambao wananchi wanaweza wahudumiwe, na mimi nawasihi wenzangu, kila mmoja wenu aweze akate NHIF. Na ndio ukiwa mgonjwa unaingia hapa unaweka kidole kwa sababu ya kadi yako, unatibiwa bure, unatoka unarudi nyumbani kwako. Na wasi mukate NHIF.
Waziri bwechisemi Professor George Magoha bono nigarurege kurege tindi gochia saborokia amana barokigwa bali baratuke bagokora oboibi bwa matemo manene akengo byobulendi bigoro mono iliyokone kebuna borokigwa kurwase chinse mochiri obulendi boirane tense ngokora bara matemo abo asenchira yubororo niko baigatebire onde bwensi orachi gotoka kagokora oboibi bwa matemwa na nyariko bagakoimukirwe getambo batukire bagokora oboibi obwo nigo babekuru biara ekero baganyete gochegwikigwa asikigambiro.
The paper at that time to justify the money that they have fleeced from the stupid stakeholders. And I spent so much money to guard.
I've given them 1 week. We've set a committee. We put a committee in place that will work with the boda riders. Pale every week we need a feedback, so that also we are able to differentiate between boda riders and wakora ambao wako katikati ya boda.
They were very much innocent, but the truth of the matter is we have never had that better structure in the Nairobi county.
Organized in the 17 sub-counties, we are going to register them.
They believes that the young generation will have a higher stake in delivering the next president of Kenya.
And we must get our votes out as young people. Just go to the ballot and vote for the young people on that ballot. It's time for change. And we are the change. The change for our kids, the change for our parents, the change for our grandparents. It's no longer time to elect those old people. We have elected them and we have not seen what they have done. So the youth are, because we believe that our life is no longer in the future, it is in the present.
I encourage you, go for those seats. These seats belong.
Omugavana we kaunti ya Bungoma Wycliffe Wangamati nigatebire buna nigo baguche kumusira omurai we kiama kia UDM Raila Odinga na kwene kia buna obeiro omurai ugatano bwense ya Kenya. Kulingana na Wangamati nigo bana sabira ba Kenya kumwekura iliogocha kwene kia obeiro omurai ugatano bwense ya Kenya.
One sack of marijuana is $3.2 million US. If you can grow 1,000 acres of marijuana in a controlled situation, not for smoking purposes, but for medicinal, and piece of metal from Mombasa to Naivasha, which has now taken over monopoly, and we are not told how. So Kenya has sunk, jobs have been lost, people are crying, the port has been taken away, and we do not know whether that port has been mortgaged. The Chinese manners in Africa are the ones that make me talk this way, because nobody is willing to speak like this. Now, when it comes to issues of marijuana, the Canadian government has assured me through proxy, through business, got $484 billion from the trade.
Tobono kia babereire akongu na kuirira komenta ene. Nensemo ya barai kurwa sensemo ya Kakamega nigo bono baburirie bunge okianie bango ase bintu biengencho asaba Kenya iliko baororoberia omosigo chinga kyubogima bogendrete gokonga kubwatekana no gwateka kwebinyenyi bya COVID-19 amone chisegi chigendrete ase chinse cha Russia amona Ukraine nigo batebire engaki yaikire bona ba Kenya bagendrete komenyera ubogima bokongu na iga bange babo mbali kunyara konyoro mugati obukira lituko.
Right now we will also probably feel the effects of the war between Russia and Ukraine. That is going to affect what we call global logistics, the movement. My encouragement to elected leaders is let us not wait. Let them not wait. The current parliamentarians, Senate, let them not wait for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks down the line and then react. We need to protect the Kenyan people right now. We know that the shockwave of the war between